What's up? We're just loading the Stark Varg in the Cybertruck in this video. I loaded in diagonally and straight on, that way you can see how it fits in the Cybertruck bed. When I load it with the front end in the corner, I used the back left tie down and the front right tie down. Because of aerodynamics, your range will actually be less with the tailgate up. If you leave it down, you'll get a little more range. I am using the Tesla Cybertruck tailgate ramp. It runs about $400. The ramp is pretty light and it's a tri-fold, so it packs up really nicely. One thing I have realized loading it like this is the fender will scrape on the top when you tie it down. Both my Stark Varg and my KTM 250 SXF load about the same here, since they are similar wheelbase. I did a review on this ramp, but everyone wanted to see it packed underneath the sub trunk. As you can see, it folds really nice and it locks into place so it won't unfold on you. It fits very easily into the back, and you can fit 2 of these ramps in the sub trunk. This is more info for storage, because if you're hauling something in the back, you can't open the sub trunk.